is your video orientation to LJS 447 from the Schoenberg collection in the Kislak Center for Special Collections, Rare Books and Manuscripts in the University of Pennsylvania Libraries. This hefty book, it's not heavy, it's just very large and sort of thin, which makes it somehow more difficult to handle. So this was written in 1710 in Aleppo, Syria, and it is a book that contains descriptions of animals and plants. So here we start out with a horse. It is written in Arabic, and it's written on paper, and the paper has been attacked pretty substantially by bookworms. So these little circles that you see all over the place, those are bookworm chew holes, I guess you call them. So there's an elephant. So we start with the animals, and we have birds. There's a fine owl. So in total, so it contains, let's see, domestic and wild animals, birds, insects. So we have some flies over here, marine animals, and plants. So the whole, there's a large second section of the book that contains plants, stemless plants and herbs, and the few have people in them, included in them. So here we have the insects. Sources include Dioscorides, who is best known for De Re Medica, which was sort of the book that people read, particularly on about plants, but also Galen and Ibn al-Bayt. There's some fish and some other guys. Let's see, let's get to some plants. And then the whole rest of the book is plants. It is written in a very clear, nice Manuscript. So it is nicely written with a little bit of rubrication, which I assume is the names of the various plants and animals. The paper it's written on is very nice too. I like this. I like this paper. Oop. The binding is a leather binding with some blind stamping, and I don't know how old it is in relation to the rest of the book. If you'd like to find out more about LJS 443, you can visit Franklin, where there is a record and a link to a digitized copy. And this has been your video orientation to LJS 447.